Hey there guys, this is Coach Tutor for you back with another Edabit problem. This one's called flip the Boolean. So it asks us to create a function that reverses a Boolean value. As you can see from the examples, if it's true, we're going to return false because the reverse means the opposite. So false, the opposite of false is going to be true. So let's go to the code tab. As you can see, the function is a bool and the argument is a Boolean. The name of it is Boolean. So what we're going to do to solve this problem is we're going to use an if-else statement. So if, and the condition inside the if statement is going to be if Boolean is equal to true, we're going to do the opposite. So if it's true, we're going to return false. And then else, since else, if the Boolean is equal to false, we're going to return true. So this should pass the test for this problem. As you can see, it passed the test. And if you like this video, please like the video and subscribe for more Edabit problems.